Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2019 Wave 4 of the 187 NASCAR Diecast Wave. We have Paul Menard and Ryan Blaney's Throwback cars. On the back you can see a normal 12 font for Ryan Blaney and an old version of the 21 for Paul Menard when he was still with Wood Brothers Racing, in which now he's retired. Anyway, let's get these cars out of the box. So obviously these are hard packages to open. Just give me a few seconds. So basically both of these are their 2019 throwbacks to some past champions of the sport or just other old teams as well. So here are both Ryan Blaney and Paul Menard. First, let's start with Paul Menard. So Paul Menard drives the number 21 Motorcraft car back in 2019 before Matt DiBenedetto took over. So his car is to represent the first time Wood Brothers Racing entered the sport and is one of their first cars, I think by the owner of Wood Brothers Racing, which I think it was Glenn Wood, I think. So there's the old number 21 font. It basically has a similar paint scheme to the old version. It has the black on top, red, and the gold on the side to look like the old car, which is pretty amazing. And also right here, it has to represent, the Wood Brothers driver, the first driver ever. And you can see the normal 21 font on there. Next up, Ryan Blaney. Ryan Blaney represents Michael Waltrip in his years before he won the Daytona 500, which went pretty well. So obviously, the old Pennzoil logo, Menards, the basic yellow color paint scheme with just the red numbers, in which Michael's number was 30 at the time, and Ryan Blaney's is 12, so it has the red 12 to represent, and it has the same red as Michael Waltrip's car back. On the back has Menards. Let's give a 360 view of both of them. And that's about it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.